Hello, friends. Welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So let's discuss some important global market update, US indices and commodities, and Q2 results update also. Along with that, we'll analyze the Nifty 50 chart and we'll find out important key levels for next week. So to know the Nifty 50 levels and important Q2 results update, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update and indices levels. So let's start first of all with important Q2 results update. The 11th October, yesterday only on Saturday, the Avenue Supermart means DMart has posted its Q2 results is overall looking good. The revenue is up by 15% and the net profit is up, and EBITDA is also up by 11%, and the margin, which is very important, that is slightly down from 7.9% to 7.6%, but that is actually negligible. So overall the DMart has posted good, quite good results. And yes, for next week the upcoming results is very important for the Reliance, and means Reliance, Infosys, Tata Technology, and all the big company are going to post their Q2 results in next week only. So watch these companies Q2 results in next week. I mentioned the name. So now let's discuss little bit global scenario, and you can see I opened the indices and the Indian market. Yes, Indian market was this is from Friday. So Indian market was overall moderate, I can say neutral, not very negative, but yes, positive to tha, but not that positive also. And Nifty Bank, you can see 0.74%, it was actually performing, the Nifty Bank was performing, and I already made the Nifty Bank breakout and next week levels on Saturday video, and it is very important. I have posted the Tata Motor record, demerger record date, and everything in Saturday video. So please definitely check that Saturday video for important update and even Q2 updates also. So very important to see Nifty Bank breakout. I'm giving the video link in I button. Please check that video. And today, if you see, the Nifty Bank is performing. It was up by 0.74%, and the Nifty 50 and the Sensex was around zero point 0.4 or 0.5%. If you check, if you see the DJI means US indices, if you see, so US indices में DJI is down around 2%, which is very alarming. Means 2% के आसपास Dow Jones was down, S&P 500 more than 2.7% down, and even Nasdaq was 4% down. So this is a very alarming for Indian market in next week. So guys, please be careful. Watch closely the Indian market. It means Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank in next week on Monday. US market, as the US market is the master market or mother market, that is definitely going to affect our Indian market also. Nasdaq is 4%, means Nasdaq is IT indices of US, and this is around 3.5 3 point more than 3.5% down. So this is not actually normal. This fall is not normal. Check the commodities. So commodities में अगर देखें तो as usual gold is just flying high, and now it has even crossed the $4,000 also. Means if we talk about if we talk in Indian rupees, it is even more than 1,20,000, more than 1,20,000 per 10 grams. Gold is trading at its highest levels. 1,20,000 को भी क्रॉस कर चुका है गोल्ड, एंड इवन द सेम स्टोरी इज विद द सिल्वर ऑल्सो. दिस हैज ऑल्सो क्रॉस द 48.62 डॉलर मीन्स इन INR में बात करें, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट इन INR, it has even crossed the 1,70,000 per kg, 1,70,000. How quickly the yellow and white metal are rising, but you can see. So even 1 month, 2 month back, it was trading at 1 lakh, around 1 lakh. Gold was trading at 1 lakh, and the silver was trading around 1,10,000 something. If we talk about this commodity of Brent oil, you can see this is trading at, actually it's at its comfortable zone of 65. So 70, 65, 70, 70 का level अभी नहीं आया है, so it is trading below the 70. तो 65 is quite okay, quite comfortable price of uh, Brent oil per barrel, $65 per barrel. And yes, these three important commodity I have discussed. Currency is at a same level of 88 around something. So 88, 88.89 के आसपास, so already 89 तक already touched its highest level, more than 89. So 88.8 के आसपास ही ट्रेड कर रहा है, means the Indian rupees value is actually trading low, and Indian rupees is falling against the US dollar. So these important scenario, these important thing, the indices, US indices, and commodities, important commodities and currency, I have already discussed, which is very important to know and to be aware for the coming week, next week. And yes, now let's quickly discuss the Nifty 50, what is happening here, as I couldn't make the last week levels video last week, Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank levels video. So I'm going to discuss the both last week and last week, both week I'm going to discuss in this video, today's video. So very important to know that last week what happened, and then before last week to last week what happened. So then we will come to predict the level, to find out the important level for the next week. And you see, if we come on this chart, we can see I have drawn these 2 3 lines, this zone. I have drawn this zone from here to here. I will show you why I have drawn this zone, and this is the resistance level I have drawn. If you see last week, when this was happening here last week, the Nifty 50 was performing very good. It was outperforming actually. And you see from here, but where he if you see from here, where the Nifty 50 touched this level of 24,600 around, exact I can talk, yes, 24,600 के आसपास. From here it has touched the low level, and from here it has given a very very good and nice reversal and not looking back. It was continuously, the Nifty 50 was going upside. Okay, this level was very important of 25,150 around, and 25,150 ka resistance be last Friday the Nifty 50 has broken and even closed above that. So this is actually showing very good sign. But as just earlier I have discussed, I have shown the global indices, US indices. You have seen that what was the condition of the US indices, DJI or Nasdaq, was more than 3% 2% was down. So ये एक अलार्मिंग सिचुएशन है, तो वी नेवर नो दैट दिस कंटिन्यूटी विल गो ऑन और इट विल बी broken because of that US market. So we need to watch in next week कि क्या होता है. Like it may again, uh, from here it may take reversal again, but important support if I see, that's why I made this zone. क्योंकि from here 20, ये जो you can see like this blue line, this is 20 EMA. And if you see how nicely this line is giving support to the nifty 50, see here. And again it is a very important support of 25,000 around. Yeah, 25,000 के आसपास the 20 EMA also giving a support. And here you can see this neckline of double bottom pattern. This level is 25,150 अराउंड, ये भी एक सपोर्ट दे रहा है टू निफ्टी 50. सो निफ्टी 50 का ये यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक वेरी वेरी क्रूशियल सपोर्ट. आई डोंट सी दैट Nifty 50 should break this important support of 25,000 next week, but we never know what is going to happen, as US market was very very negative on Friday. So we never know what is going to happen. To be prepared for everything and anything, like Nifty 50 may again come back to this level in next week, but breaking this 25,000 will again give it a way to this level of 24,600. But I'm not talking about this level in this week. I will definitely update if it's breaking this level. I will definitely update in next week video what can be the next level. But abhi ke liye I am only taking this 25,000 level of 20 EMA and 25,100 as first support, which is the neckline of this double bottom pattern. Even before that, here and here also, and here and even here, it was taking support here. So we need to stick to this zone of support for the next week, and then we'll watch what is going to happen. Resistance is definitely very strong resistance of 25,650, where Nifty 50 even could not try after here. Nifty 50 even could not try to touch this level, which is very very strong resistance, I will say. तो इसको तोड़ना looking very tough. Even near term, near time, is very very tough to break this 25,650 or 650 level. So overall, I have discussed the important global market, indices, commodities, currencies, and I have analyzed in detail even the 2 week scenario of Nifty 50 in detail. So I will discuss the Nifty 50 level again, but be be very careful, as the US indices showing great a big fall. So need to be careful and need to watch the Indian market in next week. So Nifty 50 level for next week, important support is 25,150 and then 25,000, which is psychological support also. And important resistance is 25,650, and before that 25,500 also. So like and share the video with your friends and others also, so that they will be also aware about the global market and the important indices levels. And subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update, indices weekly levels updates. Signing off.